Hello, it's me, Lasagna with Miss Doll's Handmade Creations, and today I come to you with another unboxing from, of course, Diamond Art Club. Now, I know you're wondering, why is it in a brown box? I have no idea. Maybe this was all they had at the time. Y'all know when y'all get custom boxes made, sometimes you may run out. Doesn't matter. It's what's inside that counts, right? Alright, so I do have two in here. So, of course, it'll be one at a time. Let's just take out the top one. Alright, I had my eye on this one for a long time. Of course, it is purple, so you know it is a square. Boo, boo, boo. Love it. And it's called Sea Breeze Trail. So let's get this one open. I watched someone do this one. That's what gets me. Is when you see people completed them. And then you go, ooh, yeah, that's good. Then you want to order it. But I also look at, you know, things that my husband and I do together. So we love it. And what I want to hang on my walls, what I want, oh, excuse me, what I would like to gift to people, you know, things like that. The kit don't want to come out. Alright, there we go. Oh my gosh, I see it again, guys. I'm not going to open it this time, but I see a 4-placer and tweezers. Thank you, Diamond Art Club. I'm loving that you're giving the placers again. So when I give kits away, you know, they can have a placer already. Here's my sticker that I keep. Alright, and this one is called Sea Breeze Trail. Now, isn't that beautiful? Oh my goodness. To be out walking to the beach and you see those boats there. OMG. So this is a square with ABs. It is 47 by 55. It doesn't say how many inches that is, but I'll have it up on the screen. And there are 44 colors. There's the picture, and let's get into this baby. Let's see. The drills, of course, your instructions, step-by-step instructions with a coupon code. All right, let's unravel it and roll it the other way. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Looks like I'm gonna have a lot more greens again. Okay. Really? Okay, just roll it up like that, and then pop. There it is. Oh my goodness, I got a little overhang there. Push that back. Look how beautiful, guys. Let's get to the scene here. Look at the boat, the sailboats. Yes, that's the first thing my eyes go to. So again, when you're using sparklers or ABs, first thing your go to when you want to add and enhance your canvas, add some ABs here. I know I'll be doing that because that's the first thing I went to. These two boats. May put a few in there. A couple in the trees. I don't know. We'll see what we already have first. Alright, so let's push this down. Of course, the schematics on the sides, the bottom here, and the top. And I did tell y'all it was 44 colors. Look at the drill field. While I got that open. That green. Look at that. Squares are beautiful. They take longer to do because you have to make sure you got them on there, you know, perfectly straight. Well, as perfect as we can be. Turn it around, do the other side. And then we're going to look at these beautiful, do the little test, always. We can look at these drills. Wow. A lot of greens. I already know that. I'm hoping it's got some pretty blues. Alright, so let's flip it over. The back, beautiful canvas. Feels like a warm, comfortable sweater. Not sweater, but blankie. Alright. What did I do with the drills? Oh. Alright. So let's get into these babies. We like to see these. Let's see what they look like. All right, how many trains do we have today? 1, 2, 3. Yep, 3 trains. All right. So let's get to this baby. A train full of green. So let's start. All right, we got 33.25. These are the big bags. Is that 2? Oh my gosh, that's 3. $8.95. I'm gonna have a lot of $8.95s in square. Cause the last kit had, I think, $8.95. Got 3 of those. Then you got 30.23, $7.75. Well, two of these, 33.71. This is that dark milk, dark chocolate. Look like to me. And then you got 2 904s. You got 1 37.55. That's that pretty blue for the ocean. Oh yeah. Got 2 905s and 8.90. The second train. Got 718, bright pink. Ooh, that must be for that sailboat. 321, 779, 739, 832. That got to be for the sand. The shading on the palm trees and the sand, yeah. Ooh, 601. I think that's 601. I think that's one of my favorite pinks. 3024, 3861, 841. 518, another blue. Here we go with these blues. We got 2 799s. You just don't want to stay right, do you? 470, another green. We got 2 3841s, 3860, 948, and 3 again. 3 890s. Oh my gosh, those greens. Last train. Let's see. We'll start this way. All right, these are the smaller bags. 3830, 436. Look at this 141. Y'all know that 141. That white. We got a little bit of that. 3733. Look at the beautiful pinks. 3608. Ooh, look at this purple. That is beautiful. 136. Look at that. Oh my gosh. So yeah, that goes in the clouds that we saw. Oh, that's beautiful. 38, 37, 9, 38, 798, 602. I love that 602 too. 498, another red. 814, another beautiful purple. 327, 135. That is 3 ABs, guys. That's 3, because here is another one. I think did we say 3 ABs? No, but I thought we saw 1 AB. Oh my gosh, I don't know, am I tripping? But look how beautiful this is. I think we had another AB in here. We did, 136. I'm looking at the thing, that's the chart here, and it's at the end, number 44. So I'll show y'all that on the thing when I show it at the end, okay? 434. 3607, 3770, 702, 733, and 550. One of my favorite purples. Love it, love it, love it. Let me find that thing again so I can show you. Hold on one moment. Because I have it over here under this thing here. Here it is. Look. So when you're looking at it, normally they're in order, numerically, by DMC code. So 1 and 2, AB. But then you get down here at the bottom, it says 136. I knew I went crazy. I know I showed them another AB. So there are 3. So I don't know, did they just at the end say, oh, let's throw in another AB and didn't want to renumber it? That's what I'm thinking. But there it is again. Let me flip it over so we can see where these 3 ABs go. Amazing. Amazing. So we actually really going to see if I add more, because it's got 3 already in here. You don't need too much sparkle. It's already going to be sparkling from the regular drills. But the ABs also, when you put them on here, they reflect the colors next to them. So you don't want to put too many in here because then they'll be reflecting off each other. It won't look right. Okay, so number 1 AB is that lime green color, which is 135, and that's number 1. So all in the trees here, this lime green is the one. Lime green. Down here, there's some here. Down here. It's a ton over here. Look at that. It's a lot over here. So it's all in the greenery. Then 141 is number 2, which is the white. So it's probably none down. Yeah, there's a couple down here in the flowers. In here. And then it's probably some in the water. Let's see. If it's not, I will be putting some. Just sprinkle here and there of blue. 141 is what? Number 2? Wow. I don't even see any up here. There's no number 2s up here. What? No wonder it's such a little thing. I'll probably put a few in here, guys. I'll probably sprinkle around the clouds, the outline. I'll probably change it up, guys, for that. And then all the way down to the bottom here, number 136 is K. And that is like a purple. So all these little purple dots here are the ABs. All these little, they look blue. These blue K's here. Oh my gosh. Excuse me. And I think that's the only place it is, yeah. Well, there's a few, there's one here. Oh, this whole boat. The whole bottom of the boat, guys, is ABs. Are you freaking kidding me? That's going to be cute. I was already thinking about putting it in. I said that at the beginning of the video. So I'll probably just outline it with one. But look at that. The whole boat. Now that is right. I said that was the first thing that my eyes go to. So again, y'all let me know what you think. This is going to be super cute. Here is what the picture is supposed to be looking like at the end, the final picture. Y'all let me know what you think. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, guys, bye-bye.